Iberdrola Australia takes sustainability really seriously. At all of our generating assets, which are spread around the country, we take account of what species we have there and our impact on them, and we seek to actually improve the habitat for those species. The Glossy Black Cockatoo is a species that we know to be present near our capital wind farm. It's a threatened species. So what we're doing here today is planting some Allocasuarina trees, which is the only type of food they eat, as well as installing some nesting boxes which simulate tree hollows, which take a long time to form. That habitat combined with the food source, we're hoping to increase the breeding of that species around our wind farm here. We get people from finance, from accounting, from all parts of the business, and there's just such a great atmosphere. They're so excited to be here. And we're doing things that we know are going to contribute to the natural environment near our assets.